Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Notary Educators with Kimmi. I'm your host, Kimmi Nunnally, a number one notary educator. I'm going to claim it because I know I do my best and I give more than 100% to every person, member or no member of the Notary Business Success Program. What's up? What's up? I know y'all like, why is Kimmi live today? Why is she live? Because I got a big announcement. And if you don't get to see it here live with me, you can catch it later. But the announcement is going down. How about that? So we'll give YouTube a few minutes. You know, it's got to do its thing. And then we are going to hop right into it. How is everyone? What is up today? I know it is a holiday. I do know that. Clearly, I didn't have any plans today, but that's all good. That way I'm here to talk to you all. I see we got some people with us. And if you do have something going on, it's probably going on tonight, right? So you got a few minutes, but I have an amazing announcement today, guys. I'm so excited. For those of you who do not know, though, I do train notaries nationwide. We have a mentorship program that has been going amazing. And we teach, when I say nationwide, in our group, we got people from Nevada, California, Georgia, a lot of Texas people, all states. And why? Why? Because all of your documents will not originate in your state. Let me be clear. Somebody put in my chat the other day here on YouTube, my comments. They were like, oh, Kimmi, I wish you were in my state. I think it was Michigan, if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't matter where you are. I can still train you to be a great notary because all of your documents are not going to originate from your state. In fact, most of them probably will come from other states, okay? So anyway, we're going to get right into it. So due to high demand, you guys have asked, and I couldn't figure it out. I'm never rolling out any product, any mentorship, or anything if I can't figure out how to make it work for you, where I feel it's going to be beneficial. And for me, I don't do fluff, okay? I'm not doing anything where it's just like, you know what, we can just invent this to get people's money. No, I really want you to succeed and grow in your business. So I am so pleased to roll out our newest part of our mentorship program. So now there will be two parts to the program, okay? So we have our startup membership package, which will include the following. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into both for those of you who may be new, and then I'll take some questions, okay? But first, let me tell you about it. So the first mentorship package is this: Notary Basics training, weekly live trainings, okay? Replays of the past meetings and replays of what's going on currently, printable tip sheets, realistic mock scripts, because if you watch any of my videos here, you know how I do. I don't just tell you what to do, I show you what to do. So you got your specialty general notary course included, okay? There's also marketing templates if you need to get a business card, a business resume, a notary resume, business card, flyer. There's a template in there for you, sample documents. So it covers everything you need to get started. Everything, literally. I'm going to show you inside the course in just a moment. $27 per month, okay? Now, the live sessions that I was talking about is going to be with our other mentees that we have been mentoring, okay? So we're all going to have one session. It's not going to be, okay, well, they only get to hear this part or they only get to hear this part. No, we're going to come together. It's going to be one session every week, both groups. So even though you're paying a little bit less, it doesn't matter. You're going to still benefit from the same information as the people paying a little bit more, but you're just starting out your journey, okay? And you just need to get started. A lot of you are not even ready for some of the deeper courses that I have within the whole package. So I'm going to show you both in just a second, okay? And then we have our all-inclusive package, which many of you already know about. That's the complete notary library, the complete training library with live weekly sessions that we just talked about, a real-time chat community, replays, the printable tip sheets, mocks. I mean, it's everything, all inclusive, literally. So now, are you ready for a sneak peek into the new program? Let me see some comments here. Where's everybody from? What's going on? Are we ready to see a sneak peek? Let me see a one. Give me something, guys. Give me something. So I know that you're here today. Let me see what's going on. I don't see nothing in the comments yet. And again, I do know it's a holiday weekend, but this has to come out. I wanted to go live last night so bad. Jeffrey was like, Kim, wait till tomorrow. I was like, no, I got to share it with the people now. So now instead of one mentorship program, you actually have a choice of two. We're going to meet together as a collective every week. This is not fluff mentorship. It's not fluff, just meeting for the sake of meeting. It's actual training / mentorship. Okay. And you get to come to the live meetings every week for $27 or $47 if you want the whole kit and caboodle. So now at least you have an option. Because sometimes, again, you're not making any money yet, but you know you need this training. You know you need to get your confidence up. So let's get right into it. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to do share screen. And I'm going to show you what the inside of the program looks like. Okay, so this is the startup program. Okay, I want you to see what's all included. So this is the one for $27 per month. Okay. And again, you get Notarize Like a Pro, where we teach you how to actually notarize documents. Also included in the startup membership is a specialty general notary course. That's going to your hospitals, your jails, a little about ink fingerprinting, how to build your business literally step by step. This is a place that you all normally need to know. How do I start my business? How do I do it? So I have the Start Your Business book. It's a great place to start, period. But when you're actually ready to execute, this course will take you step by step. And then I have the pricing and marketing course already included. There are some sample documents included. This is all in the startup course, okay? The startup membership. Then you have acknowledgments versus jurats. Now, these are previous sessions that we spoke about that people were trained, deep training, guys. Again, no surface fluff. This is not just a way for you to join a mentorship. And when you're really ready to learn this business, this is your entry point mentorship program, $27 per month, okay? What is the role of a notary? Acknowledgments and jurats, notaries and supplies and the block. These are all over hour sessions. ID and journal. Did you know it was going to take an hour to talk about ID? The notarization process step by step. Customer service tips, unauthorized practice of law. There's a marketing template here, as I mentioned earlier, a full-blown bundle. And then some bonus sessions here. And then you get to come to the live weekly sessions, okay? So I'm going to come back over here, and we're going to just leave it up there for a second. So do you have any questions so far about what I just showed you? What's all inclusive in the basic startup mentorship package? Any questions about that? Okay. And you do get to come to every live session. Okay. Every live session. I'm going to show you really quick, like for the month of July. Hopefully you can see this, because I hate the sharing screen thing, especially with this one, because I can't really tell if it's sharing. But this is what we're talking about for the month of. So when you go to the website, you see you have your two options here. Just click that, see whichever one you want to look at. You can do like that and scroll. All the benefits are right there. Come back. You can pick this one, and all the benefits are right there. So what you see is actually what you get. It is no fluff. It is the real deal. So for the month of July, these are some of the topics that we'll be talking about. Again, this mentorship is not just, oh, let's get you on the roll so we can get your money. No fluff, okay? Y'all know I don't do fluff. I don't even have time for fluff. I'm going to give it to you straight. So these are the 5 sessions that we have scheduled for the month of July, all about loan signing, because that's what we felt the group needed right now. So again, you may not be a loan signing agent, but you eventually may want to, and these topics will benefit you, okay? So I'm going to close this out, and then I'm going to come back and show you, see if you have any questions right now. Any questions about the new membership? And the moment you access it, you can start watching the courses and stuff. And you get to come to every session weekly live. So no more of, I can't afford mentorship. I want to learn the business. How do I do an acknowledgement? How do I do an jurat? How do I certify a copy? How do I do this? No more. The basic plan is perfect for you. Not to mention you get to come to the live sessions every week. Okay. So now let's go to the other program. Hold on. I want to show you that one. Give me just a second. I'm going to get that one pulled up here so you can see it. For those of you who may be new with us, I want to show you the other package. And go ahead and drop your comments in the chat if you have any, or questions, if you want to know about the program. If I'm missing something, let me know. Hold on one second. I'm going to pull up this other one here so you can see that one. Give you a sneak peek into the other program. All righty. So we are going to do screen share again. No questions right now? Okay, let me show you into the other program. So what I just finished showing you was our startup mentorship plan. Again, it's $27 per month. You get to come to 4 real live sessions. That's less than $1 per day for full-blown mentorship, okay? And again, I don't roll out anything where it's not going to work for you and it's not going to work for us. So I always want to make sure something beneficial for you. So now I know how to, I got this part. I got the right courses in the mentorship for you. I got the right replays in there for you. And then you'll benefit from the live sessions every week. No doubt about it. So let's go over here and I'm going to show you. I'm going to do share screen again. And then I'm going to show you the other program. Okay, so this is the Notary Business Success Mentor Program. This is the full-blown original program. It is not going anywhere, but I just want to give you an inside look into this one. So this one is $47 per month. Okay, and again, you got Notarize Like a Pro, your specialty courses, your estate trust course, your build your notary business, marketing, pricing. Let's see what else we have here. We have the introduction to remote online notary, I-9 training, in fingerprinting, 12 ways notaries can make money, translation services, apostilles, wedding officiant, field inspection, and our actual loan signing course, how to prepare for a loan signing, how to counter offer, and there are so many more things in here. Let's just show you really quick some of the replays and topics that we've talked about, because you guys are missing out on a lot. Well, I've already gone through some of these topics: customer service, unauthorized practice of law. But it's not too late for you to join. You can get in where you fit in. Has Google My Business in it, how to structure your business, steps to signing up with signing companies, how to accept payments, how to accept loan signings, how to even accept them is a whole situation, y'all. How to close out a signing. So you see, we cover everything. These are previous sessions, okay? And this is in the full-blown mentorship program. So we want you to succeed. Again, it's not about just sharing, just getting you to join a mentorship program. No, we actually want you to succeed, okay?